Archaeological resources are fragile and irreplaceable.
We're going to walk up the hills over here to look at the petroglyphs. And we've got a sign here that reads, as you can see, this is a special place sacred to both ancient and modern Native Americans. The myriad of the chiseled figures are typical of Native Americans' rock art found all along the San Juan River. Yeah, they're like kind of high up, so I brought the tripod to try and get a good look at them. So here's where more of some of the more intense petroglyphs are. We're gonna come over here. Yeah, you can see it really good now. Look at all of them. I'll have to mess with some of the, I just know that this is extremely sacred and extremely important to protect. There are some actual vandalism, and we're gonna show you, I think, what the difference between some of these authentic carvings. I believe this to be vandalism, but I'm not sure. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments below. I also believe this to be vandalism, but again, I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments below what you think. There's even more right up here. Yeah, look at these ones. Yeah. You see the square, and this stuff's next to the square. All right, guys, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you, was all these amazing petroglyphs in the background. And it's truly a sight to see out here on the San Juan River in Utah. Didn't think that we'd come across stuff like this. But that's what you get for not doing your research. So I'm glad we got a shot of that.